ladies and gentlemen, good day everyone. Happy Friday to all of us. No, welcome to Abanyal family. I'm here in the Abanyal family, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because nagkuan mi diri, nag-banding for today. Yes, no? Banding time. Oh, mani siya sinong Lops, DJ Lops. Yes. Sinong Lops. Oh, diba, ladies and gentlemen? Nag-snacks mi og banana. Oh. Kaya ang saging ko, no? Unsay nganong ang saging ng Lope? Unsay naa sa saging?
Tara, benefits.
Gawas sa benefit sa saging. Basta saging, labi. That's it and thank you.